Hello, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I hope you're taking care of yourself and you're doing those things that you love to do. It's a beautiful day. I went outside for a little bit and looked at the flowers. The spring flowers are coming up, and the weather was really nice. And it was beautiful outside. I love being outside. It definitely feels like spring is in the air. Things are just making me sneeze a lot. I'll probably go outside a little bit again because I love going outside. It's fun. Well, that's it for now. Bye.